Let's learn IIB. Today, I will show you looping and transaction splitting using MQ nodes and EC-equal compute node. Let's say you have a large record set to process from a database. If you query the database for the entire result set of millions of records, you would blow up your execution group's memory allocation. If you process records over multiple transactions, you would complete processing few records at a time instead of the entire batch failing and rolling back the transaction. So, how to break one select query into smaller chunks? On screen, you see paging displayed for Google results. That is when you provide limit for the number of records fetched and displayed on browser. I create a simple flow to test our logic. Message is picked from input queue. We modify some pagination values and put it back to the same input queue. This way, you have processed one page and the transaction is committed. EC-equal logic used is only setting the pagination min and max value. The if condition stops processing after we hit the threshold. Here it is 3000. We sleep processing the thread. We sleep by which the processing thread slows down. This will provide enough time for us to view the messages created on queue. Look at the messages visible on queue at different points of time. In this way, we can process a large message in small segments. Your execution group will become unresponsive for many hours when you handle a large message all at once. With this slicing method, you conserve memory utilization and you can always know what percentage of processing has been completed. Source code is available in my GitHub repo, link in description. Use tools such as TortoiseGit to access my project files. Let me know in comments, how would you break a large database transaction into smaller pieces?